Hello, today we're going to be talking about horns. Horns are devices in the vehicle that are used to produce sounds, and these sounds help to give indication to other vehicles and passengers to notice the vehicle coming. It can be used for many other purposes. So horns are usually electrical powered. So we're going to be checking basic on side look like the type of connections in the vehicles. So first of all, we'll go and check this designer fonts. Our first designer font is this. As you can see, is kind of metallic and has magnetic film inside. This one is usually connected with a wire. Then the second design of font is something like this, kind of a plastic design. I don't know if we can get a good view of it. But one thing you should know about horns is this. They are usually connected with basically one cable, while it is grounded, like you can see, by knotting it to a metallic substance, then to the body of the vehicle, like you can see now. You can see the knot. That is how it's grounded. That is the edge of it. So that's how you have to ground them down, and that is for the edge. So you just need two cables, just one cable, just that of the live wire or the positive terminal. Then for the edge, you just fix it to the body of the vehicle and it's grounded. That's how most horn comes, and you can always attach horns together in order to have higher sounds. That is how higher volume of the sound being produced by the horn. So let's take a look at horn again and see this almost similar procedure. As you can see, it's usually attached to the body of the vehicle, as you can see there, for the neutral, while when you look down you can see the live wire goes down through that wireless, and it comes down, or if you can trace this, you're going to find that it leads down through this wireless down to the fuse box. When you look here, you can see here we have the fuse box down here. So this is on basically for you. Thank you very much.